Hey everybody, it's Neon. I am a Tesla guy, but sometimes people come to visit me that don't have a Tesla, and so this is a cool little device. What this does is it's going to give anybody who doesn't have a Tesla the ability to charge at my house. So there, the box is empty. So the way it's going to work is this will plug into the car. So you see this is like that J1772, so that plugs into the car, but then I can stick my Tesla charger into this side here. So this will let me charge any of my friends that pull up in something else into my car, like the Volt or whatever else. They can just charge up at my house with my Tesla charger. So if you pick up one of these things here, then you can use your charger for anything. Or if you have one of the other cars and you want to charge at one of the Tesla chargers, if you have a a Volt or any other electric car, those Mustangs or Rivians or whatever, you can just use this and you'll be able to charge your car from a Tesla charger. Very cool. So awesome. Thumbs up.